Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here with AMBRO Manufacturing, also Bandanas Online in Flemington, New Jersey. And behind me, here's Claudia. We're working on a bulk bandana job. She's going to be putting some ink in the screen there. And then we're going to queue up these purple bandanas and we're going to send them around. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see some of that. All right, we're going to squeegee some of the ink in there. And you can see the screen's prepared and mounted and it's ready to go. All the bandanas are awaiting print. So Claudia is going to go ahead and get things started. There's one hit. Reflood. Bandana comes out and it just needs to go through the dryer. Still wet at that point. You put on the belt, go down the belt, come out. Maria over there will fold it up. Claudia is going to load a new bandana, make sure it is within the lines that we've already marked out. This one's already been printed, so a reflood's going to happen. This is going to come out to get taken off and put in the dryer, and the next print's going to happen. So if you need custom bulk bandanas for your business, organization, or event, give us a call and we're happy to help you out at AMBRO Manufacturing.